Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to mix the 3D Zoom Pro and Strobe effects on CapCut to create this cool video edits. So for this edit, you need to add photo to CapCut and then click on the photo, go to style, then find this 3D Zoom Pro style to apply to your photos. Wait for it to finish generating to your photo. Okay, now the photo will look like this, and you can just add the strobe effect next. So go to the video effect, click on the nightclub section, and then find the strobe effect. Okay, this one, and that's it. So now your ordinary photo will look like this, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button. Bye.